Hi, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond. Don't go away.
Beachy Beach.
Today we are at this cute gated little single subdivision called Marlin Place. We have a wonderful 3-bed, 2.5 bath house right here in this gated community that has its own pool. You've got 2 bedrooms and a full bath upstairs for guests, and the master is on the bottom. And what I super love about this master bedroom, not only is it expansive, but it's got 2 great features. First, there's a walkout. You can go straight out the master onto your back deck, which has a cute little kitchen and a deck for you to enjoy the Florida outdoor living lifestyle. And then I also absolutely love the master bathroom. It's got a walk-in shower, so you don't have to worry about stepping over for a tub or anything like that, but you do have a tub upstairs just in case. The kitchen has been recently remodeled, and there's brand new paint as well as brand new floorings throughout this great, cute little house. As I mentioned, it's gated, so you've got your own privacy right here in the middle of Panama City Beach. We are right on the east end. You can easily access Grand Lagoon or Middle Beach or Back Beach for all of your needs. You're close to Publix, 2 different Publixes right here, plus all of these great East End restaurants that are local, and you just are in a perfect spot for this. If you'd like more information, check out the description below. Click on the listing link. It gives you all of the details from the MLS. And you've got to subscribe to thebeachshow.com. Ring that bell so you don't miss any future videos.